Alright, hey YouTube Gunman here, welcome back once again. So, I've done some concrete. All that's just for concrete. That's the iron. Yeah. And I decided I was going to show you the train rides and other stuff in high definition. I'm still glitching a bit, but that's okay. I'm going to go into the front train. No, second one. There we go. So, literally just show off the train and my base in high definition for this one, so... And the game is pretty. It does do a white look. Interesting. You can hear the things change as you pass. Yeah, a little ding there. A little buzzer or something, a little bell, I don't know. No. Here's the midway point. So... I was mentioning the box I was finding earlier. It's actually way over there. It was most of the way back and near the radiation, so that was fun. But it was easier to get this box out because I already had power cables going to it. So. Oop. There's all that stuff over there. Catch the train, catch train. Caught it. So you do have all that going around, which is nice. But, now we gotta go down. Oh. Looks like I have an issue. Why is there an... And unfortunately that's my electromagnetic control rod, so that takes priority. Let me grab a few stacks of turbo fuel. But I turn on the audio in case you can't tell. Maybe it's because it's full? It's either fuel or it's full. Now, I need a train to go over there. Excellent, I have a train right here. Ah, come on. One of these days. Okay. I'm just going to ride it. Yeah, getting that jump is just... Yeah, whatever. Hypertubes going down is great, but trains going up is better. Hopefully that's because that's full. It is full. It's like that because it's full. Okay, then. Tell you what. There. That hooked up, right? Why is it not going? Fine. There we go. Except I don't want to do... Oh, forget it. I don't really want to do this whole container of electromagnetic control rods, but... it seems to hate me. Yeah, there we go. I'll just do that. Okay. Now I'll catch the train. It was just full. Always go around and check your world to see if there are any issues, just in case. Really, it's only if something sticks out, you know? Why are you still circling? Looks like I'm gonna have to come back. I don't want to have to come back. That's a nice view, though. One's pulling into the station I just left, and one's heading up the hill, which means another should be coming downhill, or has already came downhill. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Ooh. No one. Going down. Yep, way over there. Lot of stuff. Stuff over there. Just in time. There's one starting to pull up or I'm leaving. Beautiful. And the big bridge that took me several episodes to make. We're going to be going past that in a couple minutes here. So, I had no nuclear catastrophe in progress. I actually was literally overflowing on the electromagnetic control rods. But I now need a double check on that one drone. So, I will do so later. For now, bridge. And train. Your black powder is slow, but that's all full, that's full, that's full. Okay. Rubber plastic? Yeah, rubbers are coming pretty good. I see no issues, just loading her up. That is loading, right? It's just glitched. Bridge time. Alright. Man, did this take a while to build. not picking anything up. Everything's full. That's actually good. And why is that drone circling? Why is the other not taking off? That can't be full. The particle accelerator is going at least. So, looks like I'm going to get off here, but hopefully you enjoyed this high definition view of the other stuff. Now I'm going to get off here and take a look at the drones. Okay, you. Oh yeah, it's just delivering plastic and it's full. I mean, fine. I don't care. It's got power, it's got fuel, it's got... Yeah, I don't care. Alright. Okay, it's just an animation. It's not time with it, but, you know, it makes sense. Boop. Sweet. Alright, that's everything. I will catch you all later. Thanks for watching. Headache. But hey, I'm having a good day now. Bye.